Y is a letter. Y is the sound that it makes. Y is for yo-yo. Yi, 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 yi. Z is a letter. Z is the sound that it makes. Z is for zebra. Z, 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 z. Now let's talk about our uppercase and our lowercase letters. Y has an uppercase. Yes, it's true. Y has a lowercase. It's a Y too. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. Y, ye. Z has an uppercase. Yes, it's true. Z has a lowercase. It's a Z too. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. Z, z. Let's meet the magic miniatures for Y, ye, and Z, z. All right, let's open up our Y tub and hear the ye, ye, ye at the beginning. Y is for yellow, yellow, yellow. Y is for yellow, ye, ye, ye. Y is for yogurt, yogurt, yogurt. Y is for yogurt, ye, ye, ye. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo, yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo, ye, ye, ye. Y is for yield, yield, yield. Y is for yield, ye, ye, ye. Ooh, it's a little tiny yak. Y is for yak, yak, yak. Y is for yak, ye, ye, ye. Y is for yarn, yarn, yarn. Y is for yarn, ye, ye, ye. All right, let's meet the magic miniatures for the letter Z. Z. Here we go. Z is for zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Z is for zigzag, z, z, z. Z is for zoo, zoo, zoo. Z is for zoo, z, z, z. Z is for zebra, zebra, zebra. Z is for zebra, z, z, z. Z is for zero, zero, zero. Z is for zero, z, z, z. Z is for zipper, zipper, zipper. Z is for zipper, z, z, z. What fun it is to learn our magic miniatures for our letters. Now let's take a couple of our magic miniatures and sort them into the buckets. Let's start with this one, zipper. I hear a Z at the beginning. Z is for zipper, zipper, zipper. Z is for zipper, z, z. Very good, I'll put that in the Z bucket. Let's try one more. Yo-yo. I hear the ye, ye, ye at the beginning of yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo, yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo, ye, ye, ye. I'll put that into my Y bucket. I've had so much fun today learning about our letters Y and Z. I'll see you next time when I teach you your super learning powers, one child at a time.